This is a video of a train approaching. Because, see, it says train to North Station in 2 minutes. Let's watch a train approach. We're not gonna take the train, I'm just gonna watch it approach. No.
You're going to run out of battery or memory before long.
No. It's all set. Okay, so a train is about to approach now. So let's watch the train approach. As long as I don't get anyone in the picture. Here comes a train approaching. Now watch it from here. It's about to approach How cool is that when we get to see a train approaching? The doors are open. This train is 926.
What, honey?
This train is number 926.
Yes. This particular, the double decker. Yes. Every car is numbered.
Well, I video for YouTube.
Do you?
Yes.
That's cool.
And we're gonna watch this train apart.
After that guy.
Alright.
Have a good night, guys. Thank you.
Now, here goes the train. It's departing. We're from the commuter rail. This is the commuter rail station. It's the full, see, I was going to tell you, see the full steam, it's smoking. And it's now departed. Alright, well, thanks for watching.